this airdrop, Himo World airdrop. I'm going to click the Telegram link, and what you do is you follow all the instruction on the Telegram link so that you can actually get the airdrop quickly, right? Without wasting much of your time, let's hand over to the airdrop. So guys, with this airdrop, what this bot will do, you're going to earn per participant 10 Himo, and when you refer people you get like 3 Himo, and winners can get 3,500 Himo randomly for top 500 referrals. So let's get this done. Okay, now they brought all the instruction. Himo is an NFT game that features on deck building, strategic mechanic. Basically, what do you do? To get your reward, you must complete these tasks: follow Twitter, join Discord, YouTube, Himo, market cap, Airdrop, tweet, channel. You must complete everything basically. So, alright, so let's look at the task. So to get a reward, you must follow Twitter, Discord, YouTube, add HIM1, CoinMarketCap, follow Airdrop. Basically, let's do this now. Any of the platforms you are not in, you have to register on them. Like Discord, you need to create a Discord account. You can download Discord on Google Play Store. That's not a big deal. Twitter, you should be on Twitter. YouTube, you should have a YouTube channel. Let's go. So let's start from the Twitter. Open. I'm going to think. What's the instruction? Said follow the Twitter, retweet the pin post. Normal. So I'm going to follow this one. Wait for the pin post, retweet the pin post. These are the two things to do. 2. The next thing, say join our Discord group. This is the link. I'm gonna open with Discord. You have been invited, accept invite. Right, I've joined. Join hub. No thanks. Okay, so alright. I've joined the Discord group. That's the most important thing. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. I'm gonna open. Now, for you to get the airdrop, you just need to have some tasks to do. You just have to follow and subscribe. Let's keep it moving. Add to market cap watch list. Open. All this stuff are not big deal. You know, I've add to market cap watch list. I need to log in. That's not a problem. I have a mobile app. I can do that later. Right. Partners Twitter. Crypto Town. What this I should do there? Follow our airdrop partners Twitter and retweet the airdrop tweet. It's not a big deal. I actually follow people I don't even know. So talk less of following somebody I know. I've done that. Said subscribe to our advertisers channel. They're just using us to build YouTube and that stuff. Click on subscribe. Android Ninja, Airdrop Ninja or something. What's the name of this YouTube channel? Airdrop Ninja, right? Let's go. Next thing, say join our Telegram group. Go to your channel and join. And finally, the last but not the least, check join our Telegram group. I've joined, right? So as far as I'm concerned, I've done all the tasks. They said, I'm your friend, Himo. Please, I think I've finished the tax. I've done everything. Submit details. I've done all this. Follow our Twitter profile link, a username. I have to now go to Twitter to copy my own username. So all I will do is I'll come to my profile on Twitter. Guys, don't mind my voice. It's very early in the morning. I just woke up from sleep to quickly do this stuff. I'll go to my profile and I will come here. I will share. Then I'm gonna copy. I've copied this. I'll come and paste. Right, that's how it works. I say paste your username ID on Discord. So I'm gonna go on Discord. I just get my username ID and I'll paste. So they have to verify everything they ask me to do. So this is what I will do. I'll come to my own profile. I got the hashtag 7464. This is my username. Done. So submit your BEP address. Yes, I'm gonna go to my Trust Wallet or any of my exchange platform and submit my BEP. I use my Trust Wallet, so give me a second, guys.